stretching. Stretch.
Hi guys, my voice has not woken up yet. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to film an updated morning routine. This is kind of just gonna be like a vlog style morning in my life. It's a Saturday, but weekday, weekend, it's kind of all the same morning routine for me. So I woke up at 7:30. That's usually the time I wake up, sometimes earlier if Lennon wakes me up, but today luckily she slept through till 7:30 and I woke her up. And the first thing I do when I get up right away is take her outside. Obviously she's slept in her crate all night, so she has to go to the bathroom right away in the morning. So I take her out first thing. I'm gonna make some coffee right now because I can't really function until I've had coffee. But if you are new here or you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram to keep up with more of my day-to-day life on there. And I hope you enjoy this morning routine. Sipping my coffee, I'm going to make a little to-do list for the day. I don't do this every day, but on days where I have like a lot of little tasks to get done, I use this little notepad you guys have seen a million times. I got it from Anthropology, but I like it because it's undated, so you don't have to like feel pressured to use it every day. It just has a little spot for your top priorities, your intentions for the day, any like checklist to do little tasks. There's a timetable if you have certain appointments or meetings or whatever. And then there's a little section at the bottom, things that can wait until tomorrow and things that you're grateful for. So I'm gonna take a few minutes to fill this out for today. To wash my face. I got this new toothbrush from Quip and it's so cute. I love that it's all matte black because it matches the accents in my bathroom because I have like all black accents in here. But I actually do really like the Quip toothbrushes because you sign up online and then every 3 months they send you a new brush head because it's important to switch out your toothbrushes every few months, but I'm really bad at remembering like when I should do that, so it just comes automatically every 3 months. Not sponsored. Okay, I'm not gonna do any other skincare right now because I'm gonna go to the gym this morning and I don't like to work out with skincare products on my face. So we're gonna save skincare for after I get back from the gym and shower and everything. Okay, I just got dressed into a workout outfit. I'm wearing this set from New Apparel. I haven't worn this in so long and I don't know why because it's so cute. Just this red sports bra and high-waisted leggings, and then I just threw on this gray sweatshirt from Princess Polly, which you guys will be seeing in a haul very soon. That's today's gym fit, but before I work out, I need to have breakfast. Breakfast of the day, overnight oats. I know I showed this overnight oats recipe in a vlog recently, but I have a clip of me making them last night that I'll insert here in case you guys missed the recipe, but it's super easy and this has been my go-to breakfast lately because you can prep it before and it's healthy and it's so yummy. I went and bought 2 more of these little individual containers from Target so I can make 4 servings at a time. These last for up to 5 days, so if I make 4 at a time, I am set for breakfasts, and the recipe is super easy. All you do is add 1/3 of a cup of oats to each container, and then I sprinkle in some cinnamon, kind of however much I want, and mix that up with the oats so that it gives it a really nice flavor. Then you add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and then 1 tablespoon of whatever nut butter you want. I use the Trader Joe's mixed nut butter, but you can also use like peanut butter, almond butter, etc. And then you just add 1/2 cup of milk. I used vanilla almond milk this time, but I'll use oat milk sometimes, whatever I have on hand. I like to add it in 1/4 of a cup at a time and mix in between so that all the ingredients are nice and blended. And then all you do is top with whatever toppings you want. So I like to use blueberries and raspberries because other fruits like bananas and stuff will get brown right away, so these last like the full 4 or 5 days, and then you just stick them in the fridge overnight and then they're ready to eat in the morning. The only thing I add in the morning is a drizzle of agave because this makes it nice and sweet. Just gonna drizzle some on top and you mix this all together and that's breakfast. This kind of looks disgusting, but I promise you it tastes so good. Time to give Lennon her breakfast. Hi, Katie, you're so beautiful. You see something? Oh my god. Sometimes my cat is possessed. Anytime like the light reflects weird on the wall or the ceiling and she sees it, she does that and she makes like a cackling noise, and I read that it means she sees something that she wants to like attack but knows that she can't get to it. So cats do that a lot when they're like looking out the window and they see like a bug or something, but it literally freaks me out every time because she literally looks like she's possessed. No. Now since Lennon just ate her breakfast, I'm gonna take her out one more time. The first time I take her out in the morning is just like quick because it's like super early, so that's just for her to go to the bathroom. But then the second time around like 9:30, I like to take her out either on a longer walk or to the dog park. That way she can like get some exercise, maybe play a little bit, and then if she like gets all her energy out, then she usually naps for like 3 hours. So it's a good way for like me to get her energy out, and that way I can like get stuff done in the early like morning, afternoon when she's napping. So that's what I'm gonna do now. We'll see if there's any other dogs at the dog park. Sometimes it's just us there, but sometimes there's other dogs there for her to play with. Okay, I'm back from the dog park. It's so cold outside, like my face is freezing right now, but Lennon had so much fun. She made a new friend. It was another Frenchie. Before I go to the gym, I'm just gonna take all my vitamins and such that I take in the morning. Take my Ritual, which I'm almost out of, a probiotic. I've been taking these Hum hair gummies with like biotin, folic acid, B12, and last but definitely not least, some BC. I'll show you guys what's in my gym bag, even though I keep it real simple, but we just have AirPods, water bottle, my keys, and that's pretty much it besides my phone, my camera. There's already hand sanitizer and sanitizing wipes in the gym. And then I'm just gonna wear my mask. I wear reusable masks like 90% of the time, but for some reason for the gym, I feel like these disposable masks are more breathable. So I just got a pack of these like black disposable ones from Amazon. So I'm gonna wear this. Let's go. Okay, I just finished putting on my skincare. Normally I would put on SPF as well. I like the Super Goop Glow Screen one, but I'm gonna be wearing makeup today and my CC cream has SPF in it. So if I'm wearing makeup, I can skip the skincare SPF step because it's in my makeup. Yeah, as you can see, I keep my skincare pretty simple these days. I love skincare, so I love trying new products, and I used to always want to use like a bunch of serums and oils and eye creams and exfoliators and like everything. Lately I've been feeling like less is more, and my skin has actually been better with using less products. So all you need is a good cleanser, a good moisturizer, a good SPF, and then I love using a vitamin C serum in the morning, and then I use like an exfoliating like AHA serum at night. I'm probably gonna start getting ready for the day now. I'm wearing like my full everyday makeup today because I'm gonna be taking some pictures later. You guys have seen me do my everyday makeup routine a million times at this point, so I'm just gonna speed through it, but every product that I use will be linked down below if you want specifics. So I'm pretty much done getting ready for the day. I just need to get dressed now. My hair doesn't always look this good, by the way. I just got it like done 2 days ago now. So I'm trying to get this blowout to last as long as I can. Just hit it with some dry shampoo and it's good to go. Okay, I just got dressed in a cute little outfit. Like I said, I'm taking pictures today. I'm putting on jewelry. These 3 rings I wear every single day. This is my Cartier ring. And then these 2 were gifts, so I don't exactly know where they're from, but I know that you can get them at just like any jeweler. One is just like a plain gold band that you can literally get anywhere, and then this one has like diamonds around it. And then I'm also gonna wear this ring from Missouri on this finger. I'm wearing this gold band from Tala Rose LA. It's like a super cute small business. You guys should check her out. Gold hoops from Jennifer Fisher. Finishing it off with some YSL Libre perfume. Just filled up my water bottle. I don't take this one to the gym for obvious reasons because it doesn't fit in any of the like equipment holders. But as soon as I get back from the gym, I fill this up and start drinking it. I put it in the dishwasher and the time stamps kind of started rubbing off, but it's not really a big deal. I just know I need to drink at least one of these every single day. Okay, so I actually have to head out now because I'm meeting up with my friend Ingrid to take pictures. So that concludes this morning routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me besides vlogs, because I'm always planning on doing those. But any other type of like sit down videos or other types of videos, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also follow me over on Instagram to see the pictures that we take today. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in another new video. Bye.